Greetings. This video is going to be the corrected version of George's quads and four-way combinations. On November the 30th, we posted a video that had inaccurate information. In full disclosure, we made some mistakes. We're going to do the quads here. The nines are the last quad to draw. The nines never drew. Every quad has drawn since then but the nines. It's 524 days since the last quad was drawn. It was the 8898 that drew my attention to the mistakes. When I went to enter the data, I saw these mistakes. We can't have this. Here's an average of 29 days, 29 and a half days for a four-way to draw. Here's the grid. And in order to add some clarity and visual statement, we decided to change from a blue background to a white background to denote the one-timers. The never drews are still the same, a dark blue background with white fonts. We'll scroll across and get you the full picture on the rebound. There are a total of 43 numbers that have never drawn throughout George's Cash 4 history that are part of the four-way combination group. Here from 2023 backwards to 2019 gives you an overview of how these four-way combination have drawn and what column that they belong into proved to be the dominant column. So from 2019 to 2023, we have a record of how these numbers were drawn for an average of about 35 and a half, 35.8 occurrences per year. And right now, Georgia is within that plus or minus tolerance of reaching the average. We just don't know which ones will be the dominant. With 11 days to go before December's over, there's a good possibility that one or two more may jump in terms of finishing the year out. Here are the average for 2023 of the numbers that have drawn for the first time. 40-day average, 96-day average since the inception of Cash 4, and a 63-day average of 2017. As I said earlier, there were 23 numbers that didn't belong in this group, and they've been corrected and put in their proper place. The total is 43, and as we scroll to the right, we'll see the entirety of all the numbers that have yet to draw since Cash 4 started. The dates above are the dates that the numbers drew for the first time in 2023. We noticed that the sets that led with the 6 and the 7 never pulled a number out, and the sets that lead with a 4 never pulled a number out. The 5s and the 0s are your dominant sets in terms of never drawn, so one of these could draw within the next 15 days. That said, take heed and govern yourselves accordingly.